at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. Some sheep are on the train track. Let's drive them away. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. Hi! We're about to go on Baby Bus Little Train. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Firecrackers. Scissors. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken on. Hammer. Lighter. Thank you. Here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto the train. Knife. Hammer. Thank you. The passengers are on board. Keep going. We have arrived at the inspection station. Let's check the train. The coal is not enough. Let's add some to the train. Good job. Let's continue on our way. The train has been maintained. Let's continue on our journey. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train. Hi. Hi. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, Baby Bus Little Train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. bus train. Hi, we're about to go on baby bus little train. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken onto scissors. Hammer. Thank you. Here is my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken. Scissors. Hammer. Thank you. Keep going. There's a barrier up ahead. Let's raise the barrier. You're awesome. Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods.